Unit 9, Parent-Teacher Meeting. Characters: Sarah, John, and Mrs. Thompson, Emma's teacher.
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Thank you for coming.
Good evening, Mrs. Thompson. How is Emma doing in school?
Emma is doing very well academically. She's a bright student and participates actively in class.
That's great to hear. Are there any areas where she can improve?
She could work on her time management skills, especially with her homework assignments.
We'll make sure to help her with that at home.
Thank you. Also, she's been a bit shy in group activities. Encouraging her to be more confident would help.
We'll talk to her about it. Thank you for your feedback.
You're welcome. I'm sure Emma will continue to do well with your support.
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson. We appreciate your time.
Anytime. Have a good evening.
Good evening. Unit 10, Weekend Trip Planning. Characters: Sarah, John, Emma, and Jake.
Hey everyone, let's plan our weekend trip. Where should we go?
How about the zoo? I love seeing the animals.
I want to go to the amusement park. The rides are so much fun.
Both ideas sound great. How about we go to the zoo in the morning and the amusement park in the afternoon?
That's a good idea. We can pack a picnic lunch to enjoy at the zoo.
Yay! I'm so excited to see the elephants.
And I can't wait for the roller coasters.
All right, it's settled. We'll visit the zoo first and then the amusement park.
I'll pack the picnic lunch and get everything ready.
I'll check the weather forecast to make sure it's a good day for outdoor activities.
This is going to be so much fun.
Best weekend ever.
I'm glad you're both excited. Let's make it a great family day out.
Absolutely. Let's get ready for a fun-filled weekend.
Unit 11, Grocery Shopping. Characters: Sarah and her neighbor, Mary.
Hi, Sarah. Fancy meeting you here.
Hi, Mary. Yes, I'm just picking up some groceries for the week. How about you?
Same here. I've got a long shopping list today. What's on your list?
Just the usual fruits, vegetables, milk, and some snacks for the kids.
Have you tried the new organic section? They have some really fresh produce.
No, I haven't. I'll check it out. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. By the way, are you free this weekend? We're having a barbecue at our place.
That sounds fun. I'll check with John, but I'm sure we'd love to come.
Great. It'll be nice to catch up. See you then.
Looking forward to it. See you, Mary.
Unit 12, Taking the Bus. Characters: John and a stranger, Tom. Excuse me, do you know what time the next bus to downtown is?
It should be here in about 5 minutes. Are you heading to work?
Yes, I am. I just moved here and I'm still getting used to the public transportation.
Welcome to the city. The bus system is pretty reliable. Just make sure you have your fare ready.
Thanks for the tip. Do you take this bus often?
Yes, I do. It's convenient and saves me the hassle of driving in traffic.
That's good to know. I'm Tom, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm John. If you need any help getting around, just let me know.
Thanks, John. I appreciate it.
No problem. Here comes the bus now.
Unit 13, Doctor's Appointment. Characters: John and Dr. Patel. Good morning, John. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Dr. Patel. I've been feeling a bit tired and have had a persistent cough.
Let's take a look. How long have you had the cough?
It's been about 2 weeks now.
Any other symptoms like fever or shortness of breath?
No, just the cough and fatigue.
I'll listen to your chest and check your vitals. Please take a deep breath.
Okay,
Your lungs sound clear. It might be a mild respiratory infection. I'll prescribe some medication to help.
thank you, Dr. Patel. Should I take any precautions?
Just get plenty of rest, stay hydrated, and avoid strenuous activities until you feel better.
I will. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. If the symptoms persist or worsen, come back and see me.
I will. Thank you again.
Unit 14, Evening Walk. Characters, Sarah and John.
It's such a beautiful evening. I'm glad we decided to go for a walk.
Yes, it's nice to get some fresh air after a long day. How was your day?
It was good. I finished all my tasks at work and even had time for a little bit of gardening.
That's great. The garden is looking wonderful. You've done a fantastic job with it.
Thanks, John. How was your day?
Busy but productive. I had back-to-back meetings, but we made good progress on the project.
That's good to hear. I'm glad things are moving forward.
Me too. By the way, have you thought about where we should go for our anniversary dinner?
I was thinking of that new restaurant downtown. I've heard the food is amazing.
That sounds perfect. Let's make a reservation.
I'll call them tomorrow. It'll be a nice way to celebrate.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it. Unit 15, Helping with Homework. Characters, Sarah and Emma.
Mom, can you help me with my math homework?
Of course, Emma. What are you working on?
Fractions. I don't understand how to add them.
Let's go through it together. Do you have your textbook?
Yes, it's right here.
Great. First, we need to make sure the fractions have the same denominator. See this example?
Yes. So, we find a common denominator.
Exactly. Once they have the same denominator, you can add the numerators together.
Oh, I see. That makes sense now. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie. Do you want to try a few problems on your own?
Yes, I'll give it a try.
I'm here if you need any more help.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
Unit 16, At the Library. Characters, John and the librarian, Ms. Davis.
Good afternoon, John. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, Ms. Davis. I'm looking for some books on project management.
We have a good selection in the business section. Let me show you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here we are. These are our most popular titles on project management.
Great. These look perfect. I'll take these too.
Would you like to check them out now?
Yes, please.
Do you have your library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. The books are due back in 2 weeks.
Got it. Thanks for your help, Miss Davis.
You're welcome, John. Have a great day.
Unit 17, Dining Out. Characters, Sarah, John, and waiter. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It's under Smith.
Yes. Right this way, please.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. Can I start you off with some drinks?
I'll have a glass of red wine.
I'll have a beer, please.
Sure. I'll be right back with your drinks.
This place looks lovely. I'm glad we chose it.
Yes, it has a nice atmosphere. What are you thinking of ordering?
I'm torn between the lasagna and the seafood pasta.
Both sound delicious. I'm thinking of trying the steak.
Good choice. Let's enjoy our evening.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the seafood pasta.
And I'll have the steak.
Excellent choices. I'll get your orders in.
Thanks.
Unit 18, Home Improvement. Characters, John and Sarah.
John, do you think we should repaint the living room?
I was thinking the same thing. The walls are looking a bit dull.
What color do you think would look nice?
Maybe a light gray or beige. Something neutral.
I like that idea. It would brighten up the room.
Let's go to the hardware store this weekend and pick up some paint samples.
Sounds good. We can also look at some new curtains to match.
Great idea. It'll give the room a fresh new look.
I'm excited to start this project together.
Me too. It'll be fun working on it as a team.
Definitely. Let's make a list of everything we need.
I'll grab a pen and paper.